little crybaby crew. Your days of plaguing the internet with criminal activities are over. When I say Crusader, y'all say sucks. Crusader, Crusader. When I say Crusader, y'all say sucks. Crusader, Crusader. When I say Crusader, y'all say sucks. Crusader, Crusader. Crusader Army, a bunch of rejects. Doctor denied here to beat chess and be best. Y'all claiming the wrong game, chanting the wrong name, sounding like y'all lame. I'm winning this all day. You're a Deadpool wannabe with a douchebag following. I take it down with policies, not a chance of just stopping me. You try to cheat with a CPN. I hit delete and make you see the end. Now see me win. Can't y'all see this dude is fake as my grando? Your fans ain't soldiers and you ain't Rambo. You're a cheater, scumbag, and a fucking villain. Cause you teaching these children how to go and skirt the system. What happened to go to school, get a degree, and go get a job? Now we got a hero telling them how to go and cheat and rob. I'm building more mountains than you'll never climb. Go ahead and try, but in the end, you will be denied. When I say Crusader, y'all say sucks. Crusader, Crusader. When I say Crusader, y'all say sucks. Crusader, Crusader.
The banks, they're determined to stop me from letting you guys know the scoop when it comes to credit profile numbers and how to actually get approved for stuff. Oh, sucks for them though, because in today's video, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now, just so you guys know, I've been gone for a little bit. That's because I've been doing a lot of crypto research, and I'll get into that a little more in later videos. But today's video, you guys came here to learn how to get a Discover credit card with a credit profile number, didn't you? Well, you're in luck, because that's what you're going to learn right here, right now. Now, before I get into this, as always, this is for entertainment purposes only. Entertainment/education. Don't actually try this. This is just for fun, guys. Now, with that being said, let me show you guys how it's done. Here's the deal. Discover has been giving out offers recently. I don't know what it is. Sometimes banks will do this. Sometimes banks will say, hey, we're going to start loosening up the lending standards. We need to get more people to apply for cards because that's how they make their money. So that has been happening with Discover. And they've been sending these out. Now, how you get your hands on one of these is you need to make sure you have a credit profile that's built correctly, and you need to make sure it's in public records. Now, I have 2 workshops that show you how to do it. Link is in the description. We'll walk you through how to make the CPN and also how to get it into public records. But if you've already done those 2 things, now I'm going to show you guys how to get this. What you're going to do is you're going to need to have trade lines on your credit profile. You're not going to be able to do this with a blank number. So what I would recommend doing is getting a trade line that's $10,000 and at least 2 years. Now, why am I saying that? Because the limit they give you with this is going to be determined by what you already have on your credit report. Discover is big on that. So the higher the credit limit you already have on your credit report, the higher the limit they're going to give you with the card. I would say if you can't afford a $10,000 trade line, then I would say go no lower than $3,000, because the limits I've been seeing people get with these are $3,000 to $9,000. So what you want to do is make sure you have that trade line on your account, and then you want to make sure that I would have at least 1 primary on there. Self-lender is great. Citibank, they're great too. The key is waiting for this to come in the mail. Do not apply for this card unless you get this in the mail, because chances are you're going to get denied and you're just going to get a hard inquiry. But if you get this in the mail, man, it's like 90%. I've never seen anybody get denied after getting this in the mail. That's how strong this freaking piece of paper is if you see it. So what you want to do is make sure that you have all your stuff in public records and just wait for this to come your way. It will come your way as long as your credit profile meets their criteria. And how you do that is make sure you have lines. I'd have one strong trade line on there, authorized user, and then I'd have at least one primary on there. It's probably going to take you, I mean, if you're just starting out, it's probably going to take you, let's say 3 to 4 months to get this, but it's definitely worth it. Now, when you get this, all you have to do is open up the invitation, get the offer code, enter it in online. Your stuff will already be populated in the screen because they pull it through public records. And then you go ahead and apply. Now, when it comes to your income and your education, you want to make sure you have a bachelor's, and you want to make sure that your income is above 82,000. I say that's a good place. But don't go over like 94, because when you do like ridiculous amounts as far as your income, they're kind of like, yeah, I don't think so. And then they want tax returns and stuff to prove it. So I'd stay in a safe range. You want to be around $82,000 to $94,000. That is what I would recommend. Now, as far as your housing expenses, I'd say now $1,200 to about $2,000 a month. Go ahead and do all that, and chances are you're going to be getting approved for one of these bad boys. Now, before I go, I want to let you guys know something about Discover. Discover is one of those cards that will pull from the Social Security Administration to validate the Social Security number that you type in. But here's the deal, they don't do it right away. Sometimes it takes them years to get to you. And I've seen that some credit profile numbers, when they're older and stronger, they don't look into it. I believe it takes manpower and it costs them money to do this, and they don't like having to do it. So what you want to do is go in there with a profile that's built correctly, so they don't look into it and say, hey, okay, well, we're going to need to look into this one and cross-check it, because they don't cross-check them all. Just so you guys know. Now, I got to get back to making videos. One of the things about YouTubers, just so you guys, just to let you guys in on some of the behind the scenes, is all the research I got to do. That's one of the things that's so time consuming, and that's what I've been doing. That's why I haven't been making videos, because of all the research. But I've been learning a lot about a lot of different things. I got a lot of crypto information I'm going to be giving to you guys in the near future. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Crusader out.